So if you've never tried Snail Mucin before, you have to try the Snail Facial Elixir. It is made by ImpressionZ and they make really, really great products. And this is one of my favorite ones by them. It's so good, makes your skin like soft and radiant and just smooth. And it's just really a game changer. So the Elixir comes in a sleek and easy to use dropper bottle that allows for really precise application. So it's super simple to use. So it's super easy to apply. You're going to start by cleansing your face and neck, and then you're going to take the dropper and apply 2 or 3 drops of serum onto your fingertips. You'll notice that it's kind of thick but oddly lightweight, so it's really, really hydrating on your skin. Then you gently massage the serum into your skin with circular motions, focusing on wherever you would notice some dullness or maybe redness or fine lines. So I do mine on my face and on my neck. I love how it absorbs super quickly and it doesn't feel tacky at all. So now I've washed my face before bed and I will show you how smoothly this goes on. One thing I noticed about this is the vitamin C and the niacinamide have made my skin tone a lot more even and it brightens it up a little bit. Even if I don't wear a lot of makeup, it just makes it look a little more toned overall. So it feels nice and smooth, not sticky. And a little bedtime treat that I have is my ice globes from ImpressionZ. They really feel great on top of the Snail Elixir. It's awesome. And then sometimes when my skin feels a little more dry, I will layer it with my face cream before I go to bed or before I put my makeup on. And it just makes everything feel so much better. So I'm 54 and I've been using this now for a while and I've noticed that my skin is less red and seems less dull. So not only does it feel good, I feel like it looks great too. So if you want a little rejuvenation, go try it out.